My name's Bailey and I am currently studying a Master in Clinical Exercise-Physiology. The biggest spark for me was I was fortunate enough to grow up with 4 uncles that have a neurological condition called cerebral palsy, and they grew up in the community playing football until they physically couldn't keep up with it. And so from a young age, I was very fortunate at seeing the way having a close-knit community, being physically active can be for an individual, and they would have really benefited from a service like a clinical exercise physiologist. Being ranked #1 in the world for sports science, I think the reputation at Deakin sort of speaks for itself. The facilities are, unlike most, state-of-the-art, force plates, gym equipment, unbelievably good, lecturers and team. One of the major placement experiences I was fortunate to go on was a male who'd just been through a spinal cord injury and was lucky enough to be a part of the process of reteaching him how to walk again, making a difference in their life by giving them hope, but most importantly, educating them on their condition and techniques that can help. I felt was really, really beautiful. Working in a clinical setting, I just feel like it's much easier to build rapport with someone. Being personable was massive, and I feel like I've evolved a lot during this 18 months. I would love to work in the neurological rehab sort of area. I think it would be really rewarding, and I think I can use my capabilities to really help clientele in that space.